Hello guys, welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we are going to look into exercise 5.3 question 1 beat 4 from chapter 5 called arithmetic progression. So let's see what exactly is given in question number 1 beat 4. Now moving on to question number 1 beat 4, it is given that find the sum of the following APs and the given number sequence is 1 by 15, 1 by 12, 1 by 10 up to 11 terms. Now let us see how we can solve this question. Solution. So as per the question, we are going to find out the sum of the AP up to 11 terms, and the given arithmetic progression is 1 by 15, 1 by 12, 1 by 10. So let us first of all put the data in this tabular form. Whatever is given, I can write first term, second term, third term, and I can write here as 11th term. Now the value of the first term is 1 by 15, second term value is 1 by 12, and third term value is 1 by 10, and this one we don't know, and A1, A2, A3, and this one is A11. So let me quickly draw out the table so that it will be easy for us. We will not confuse among the data, and we can calculate here. Now this is what. So guys, for moving ahead, our main motto is first of all find out this A11, and then we can find out S11 or the sum of the 11th term of this given AP. So here the common difference D is equal to A3 minus A2 is equal to 1 by 10 minus 1 by 12, or that is equal to, I can write, so multiplying 12 in the above and 12 in the below, I can 12 by 120 minus 10 by 120. So guys, what I did, just here in order to equalize the denominator, what I did, I multiplied in the denominator here 12 and in the denominator 12 and the numerator 12. So I got 12 by 120. Here I multiplied 10 in the numerator and 10 in the denominator. So I got 10 by 120. Now I can say D is equal to 12 minus 10 by 120, or that is equal to 2 by 120, or that is equal to 1 by 60. So guys, we found out the value of D as 160. Now we can find out the value of AN. So I can write AN is equal to A1 plus N minus 1 into D. So here the value of N is 11. So I can write A11 is equal to A1 is 1 by 15 plus N minus 1. Here N is 1 by 60. Sorry guys, here N is 11 minus 1 into D. D is 1 by 60. Or I can write A11 is equal to 1 by 15 plus 10 into 1 by 60, or that is equal to 1 by 15 plus 1 by 6. I believe we are very clear till here. So now further solving this equation, I can write here I can write here A11 is equal to, just what I will do, here I could see 15 and here I could see 6. So let me multiply 6 in the numerator and 6 in the denominator. So I am getting 6 by 90 plus here multiplying 15 in the numerator and 15 in the denominator, I am getting 15 by 90. So that is equal to 6 plus 15 by 90, that is equal to 21 by 90. Or further solving this equation, I can say like 3 7 are 21 and 3 30 are 90. So we got the value of A11 as 7 by 30. This is the value of A11. So we derived out, or we calculated out, A is equal to 7 by 30. Now we will use this value to find out the sum of the 11th term. So we very well know the formula for the finding out the sum of the 11 term. I can write Sn is equal to 2Sn is equal to n into A1 plus An, and here n value is 11 because we are going to find out the sum of the 11th term. So I can write 2S11 is equal to 11 into A1. A1 is 1 by 15 plus An. An is nothing but A11. So we found out the value of A11 is 7 by 30. Or even if we want, we can also do like this so that the examiner will also not get confused. We can write here 11 to A1 plus An is A11, so that the things will be easy for everyone. Now S11 is equal to 11 into A1 is 1 by 15 plus A11 is 7 by 30. Now further solving this equation, what we are going to get is 2S11 is equal to 11 into now 11. So let me multiply for the first 2 in the numerator and 2 in the denominator. I am getting 2 by 30 plus 7 by 30, or that is equal to 11 into 2 plus 7 by 30, or 2S11 is equal to 11 into 9 by 30. Okay. Now further solving this equation, we can see that we are getting 2S11 is equal to 99 by 30. Okay. Or I can write S11 is equal to 99 by 30 by 2. 2 is nothing but this 2, or that is 2 by 1, or that is equal to 99 by 30 into 1 by 2. I could have easily done here as into 1 by 2, but to make you understand, I have written it like this. Or I can write this one as, because 3 33s are 99 and this one is 10 into 1 by 2. So further solving this equation, we are getting S11 is equal to 33 by 20. I believe we are clear till here, because 33 by 20. So this is what our answer is. We can say that S11 is equal to 33 by 20, or we can say that the sum of the 11th term of the given AP is equal to 33 by 20. That's all guys. I believe you understood this calculation, but still if you have any questions or doubts, kindly write to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.